what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Please take a moment and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the notification bell as well so you get notified every time a new recipe drops. Today we're going to be making this creamy and healthy mashed cauliflower. This is a great alternative to carbs like mashed potato or any type of potato and rice. This is also very easy to convert to a vegan recipe. Today I'm using regular butter, but I have done with vegan butter in the past. I will be posting the list of ingredients and measurements, including the steps on how to make this recipe, in the description down below. Cauliflower already washed. Raw cashews already hydrated, and we're going to make the cashew cream with filtered water. Butter, which you can use vegan butter, and we're going to season with salt, white pepper, garlic powder, and nutmeg. Now that the mise en place is ready, it's time to start cooking our cauliflower. We're going to cook the cauliflower, and while it cooks, we're going to prepare the cream of cashew. I also have two other tutorials on how to make this cream if you'd like to watch it. There are a few ways you can cook your cauliflower. You can microwave it, you can roast it, or you could boil or steam it. Today I'm going to be cooking in this small pan just to show you how easy this is. We're going to add a little bit of water at the bottom, add the cauliflower, a little bit of salt, cover and let it steam. If you already have cream of cashew in your fridge, go ahead and use it. I don't have any one prepared, so for this recipe I'm using a ratio of 1 to 4. So for one measurement of raw cashew, I'm using 4 of water. In this case, I only used 1/4 of raw cashew, which I already hydrated, and then I have 1 cup of water. Cook until tender. For reference, I cooked for 15 minutes once I covered, and then drain. Now, using the same pan, we're going to add the mashed cauliflower, butter, not all, but some of the cream of cashew. We're going to add little by little. Turn the stove top to medium heat, and we're going to start cooking. We're going to add more of the cream of cashew, but I do recommend that you add a little at a time. I am going for a lumpy mashed cauliflower, but if you are looking for a smooth consistency, definitely use the ricer. I'm adding more of the cream of cashew. Keep in mind this is what's going to give us the creamy texture because it thickens up as it cooks. Now we're going to season with nutmeg, garlic powder, white pepper, and salt. Taste it and adjust it. This is it. Our mashed cauliflower is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button and leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.